I'm so excited to meet everyone. There's teams from all over the world, Australia, US, different parts in Canada.
We're having a blast. Ottawa is a great city.
Great day out in Ottawa.
让更多人的喜欢是我们共同的愿望啊！能有这么多人的喜欢，当然我们感觉我们这个项目也是很成功的。
It's great.
It was absolutely amazing. So fun to push on the ice.
We're confident this afternoon we're going to have an epic race and we're going to qualify as a top 5 team.
We're from Windsor and we're coming back and see this every year.
C'est une très bonne activité parce que c'est une combinaison de la culture du paddle, de dragon, de la Chine et des sports de la neige du Canada.
Fun, fashion, fitness, friendship.
This is our second time. We dragon boat through the summer, but bringing it to the winter, it's just chilling it.
It's awesome that Ottawa's now got the biggest Dragon Boat Festival and Ice Dragon Boat Festival in all North America.
Very serious competitors here, both the mixed teams and the women's teams. There's some lot of talent there.
It's a great passion that we share together, and then this is what all we do together.
Great competition, great organization, absolutely phenomenal.